There are a couple ways that you can take your miniatures to the next level, and in this case I'm going to be showing you how I add some nice cool looking candles to the backpacks of my miniatures. They come in these nice sprues with 2 and 3 candle variations. Just a quick word of warning, these are resin, so make sure you wash your hands after handling these. Don't eat them. So you can just break them off with your fingers and super glue them on. I would recommend letting this dry for probably 5 minutes. You just want to make sure that the super glue has had enough time to set so that it doesn't get onto your paintbrush. The super glue will ruin your paintbrush really quick, so you really don't want to get that on the paintbrush. Now, you could attach this before priming and painting your model. I like to do it after, just so that I can paint the backpack better. But this requires that you have some kind of paintable primer. I have this airbrush primer from Vallejo. Works really well. Once that's dry, you can come in with a coat of Korox white. Once the Korox white is dry, you can come in with some Nuln oil. Once that is dry, come back in with the Korox white to pick out some of the raised details. Start painting the fire with a really bright yellow, like Dorn yellow, in the middle of the candle and flame. Then use Uriel yellow around the outside of the candle and the upper part of the flame. Then you can come in with some orange just on the very outside of the candle and the upper part of the flame. Finally, add a dot of scarlet at the very top of the flame. So there you go. Very quick process that can make your models stand out on the tabletop.